Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my latest order from BB Craft. I'm so excited to be working with them again. This package is huge. I'm going to take everything out and then I'll show you a close look at everything that's inside. One of my favorite things to get, and that is this gorgeous bubblegum bead pack in pink. Very excited about that. Oh, we have this charm set. I gotta show you something about this. I was so inspired by something that was sent to me in Happy Mail that I decided I had to find these little hooks. I'm gonna show you those fun things. Another bubblegum bead set. It is gold this time, and white and silver. Ooh, I'm so excited to see this. This is a new mouse pad for my computer. If you recently saw my unboxing video of my new iMac in pink for my craft room, I can link that for you here. So one of the accessories that I chose to go along with my new computer is this adorable little mouse pad. It says "Be Happy," and let's set it up. That is great. That's exactly what I was looking for. It is a perfect, cute design and small enough that it actually leaves me lots of space for working on my desk. So yay, that is a wonderful addition to my craft room. I've got something hiding in here. Trying to remember what this was. They have so many great products on their website that it's hard to choose from everything because they have so many variations in different colors and exciting products to work with. So I've collaborated with them. They have sent me all of this stuff for review. It's more bubblegum beads. Yay! Oh, yes, look at those. Yay! I don't know why those ones came in such a different package. Yay, that, oh, there's some pink, oh no, some polka dot ones in here. Strange that they came like that. Anyways, we'll go through everything and take a closer look. But before we do, I just want to show you this one other Sun Cycle package that came in here, and this is a jewelry making kit. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I ordered these things specifically to make dangles and to hang charms and things off of paper craft projects, like my junk journals, my planners, my scrapbooks. And so I have a whole bunch of spacers for my projects now. So we'll take a close look at those. So let's flip the camera around. Bring in this beautiful tray. I just got this tray from FabFitFun. I can't believe how many useful items there are in that box for my craft room. If you want to see that video, I can link it for you as well. But what a beautiful way to display all of my gorgeous new bubblegum beads here. So let's look at that one first. Look at that, perfect fit. It's like it was designed for that exact number. Wow, look at those gorgeous colors. So even match my fingernails, actually. That is amazing. I love these. These are going to be spectacular for designing things like my Halloween dangles. I've got this gorgeous album here that I can create a dangle for that I ordered off of Paige Evans' website, and like, look at those colors together. Those are just going to be the perfect addition to dangle off the side of this album. Yay! So excited for that. Let's take a look at what came in these spacer type packages. So we've got all kinds of different little beads. Those are great spacers. And this is what the spacers look like there. And they would be too small for these bubblegum beads because the size of the hole is way too big, but definitely good for some other projects. I wonder if I have any in this package that will be good sizes for the bubblegum beads. These are all for smaller projects, so that's good to know. That's why it's nice to see other people's unboxings first, so that you can gauge what size things actually look like in reference to the kind of products that you'll be using. But oh wow, these are just spectacular. There's a real nice combination. So let's even separate the silvers from the golds. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 silver kinds. You get a really good number in each pack. I would guess that there's at least 10 in there, maybe even exactly 10, maybe even more. So that's those, and then all the gold ones. Some bead caps, also more caps, some spacers, and caps. And we have this that would be good for like a junk journaling kind of, if you're going for a rustic look. Got all these different types there. I won't get as much use out of this material, but I'll still find a use for them. Such a huge package of different ones to choose from. So yeah, so that is what was in that package. Inside here you have all of your different supplies for making bracelets. So again, with more spacers, so the holes on those ones are much bigger. And then this wire, and then lobster clasps. Let's see what this wire material is made out of. Is it a fabric-y kind of material, elasticy? What is this? Yeah, it's definitely like a very thin wire. So that will be useful for making dangles for sure. That's like the perfect material for that. And let's have a look. So many beautiful neutrals. Like that's, oh my gosh, I love this gold. I have some of these in silver and I use them all the time. They are so sparkly. Well, here they are in silver again. Wow, those just glimmer. Got some polka dots. You know I love my polka dots. What else do we have here? All of these just different white beads, and so we've got white, cream, this pearl looking pair, crackled. So good. Put that aside and get into the other one. Pink is just my favorite color. Oh my gosh. Just look at this spectacularness. It is just stunning. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. And such a good price. Like, I have been searching for these kinds of beads for a really long time. And the price for this whole package, I think there's 50 pieces in here, was so affordable that I was shocked. I think they're really varied in price based on colors. There were so many different options But like this whole thing that I'm unboxing for you with everything that I'm showing you was a total of $40. So I have this Erin Condren productivity planner, and I was sent this beautiful dangle from Edna, and I was just shocked and amazed at how she made this like setup here. I had never seen this product before. When I was looking on BB Craft's website, I thought, I wonder if they have something like that, because I would love to reproduce something like these. And you can already start to see where I've got some gorgeous materials to work with in this unboxing. So that was the inspiration behind this. Now, I have a set of 3, and it's exactly like what my pen pal made me. There's the giant lobster clasp, the one dangle that you can create to hang things off of, and then these just actually screw out, and then you can fill it with beads and put it back together. So there's that one. There's the silver one, like the example that I showed you, and then the most beautiful gold. So those are wonderful, and they actually even come with some beads that you can start to decorate them with. So I'm going to have so much fun playing with these. Like, look at some of these really interesting designs. That's a heart shape, and then the pole goes through it. There's these cute little paws. They're iridescent, the holes in the side as well. Some of these, almost like my Pandora beads for my bracelet. And this interesting shape. So much sparkly happiness on my table right now. I absolutely love it. Look, just look at those. This reminds me of like an aquarium. So beautiful. These guys, just great. And then a smaller version of this one that I've been showing you. So that is the unboxing. What do you guys think? What's your favorite product that I unboxed here so far? There's so many amazing things. It's so hard to choose. So thank you so much for watching. I have loved everything that they sent to me. If you are interested in following along to see what I create with these beautiful products, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow if you've enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in any of the products, they will be linked down below, and a 10% off discount code will be there for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.